Ever wonder why avocados are hailed as a superfood? Well, let me take you on a deep dive into the world of this green, creamy delight. First of all, avocados are not just a trendy food item or a fancy add-on to your toast, they're a nutritional powerhouse. The benefits of avocados are many and varied, so let's start with the basics. They are with not one or two, but a staggering 20 essential nutrients. These nutrients are the building blocks of your body, and guess what? Avocados have got them all. This includes fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps your gut happy, to potassium, an essential mineral that most of us don't get enough of in our daily diet. Speaking of potassium, avocados actually contain more of it than bananas, a fact that might surprise many. This high potassium content contributes to reducing blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure. Now let's talk about the vitamins. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant found in avocados, which helps protect your cells from damage. B vitamins, on the other hand, are crucial for brain development and function. But the health benefits of avocados don't stop there. Studies have shown that they can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, a major contributor to heart disease. They not only reduce the bad cholesterol, but also increase the levels of good cholesterol. This cholesterol balance is essential in reducing the risk of heart disease, making avocados a heart-healthy food choice. Avocados also play a significant role in eye health. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds that are associated with a reduced risk of chronic eye diseases, including cataracts and macular degeneration. You could say that avocados are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also an excellent food for your sight. Here's another perk of eating avocados. They're loaded with healthy fats. Unlike processed foods that contain harmful trans fats, avocados are full of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats not only help you feel full but also aid in the absorption of nutrients from other foods. It's clear that avocados are an incredible combination of taste and health. They're a perfect addition to your salads, sandwiches, or even as a base for your green smoothies. But while avocados offer numerous health benefits, they're also high in calories, so, as with all things in life, moderation is key. Sum it up, avocados are a humble fruit with an impressive nutritional profile. They're versatile, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking to enhance your diet or simply someone who enjoys good food, avocados definitely something you should consider. So, for a health boost, add avocados to your diet. Remember, good things come in small, or in this case, pear-shaped, packages. Until next time, stay healthy. And before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such food insights. Thanks for watching.